Malbon or OG Malbon?
I'm in Warriors business. This is what I do for fun.
Damn right.
This is Mini Malbon, famous Mini Malbon, Minnie's barbecue sauce.
That's just money.
We're here at the Exchange Club and everybody's enjoying the product.
So good.
Anything good?
You want to give a personal, personal test?
Says this is the best.
What do you think about Mini Malbon sauce?
I love it. It's amazing. Probably the best barbecue sauce ever.
I've heard that too many times. Keep on getting on, baby.
All right, Manny.
We're trying to serve up fresh barbecue over here. We're gonna walk over here and take a look.
Right there's good. Thank you.
Don't intermingle those two.
All right, this is the fresh pulled pork barbecue here at the Exchange Club. And of course, they've got it topped with Mini Malbon's barbecue sauce. Look at that. That's pretty work there.
That's okay, good. I can mix it.
That's right. We're having a good time here today.
No, that's your dude.
Oh, I just got myself a sweet barbecue sandwich, and I'm heading over to the sauce stand. Okay, now the finishing touches. It's Minnie's Southern style barbecue sauce.